of my hand, I felt the earth beneath my
Mako, I always remember what you said about destiny. Sabi mo, we will still meet and cross paths because destiny will bring us together. Whatever our destinies are made of, yours and mine are the same. And it's a God's blessing that I finally met my destiny.
I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting
Xienon, Austine, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Milagros na iyong pakakamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? 'Cause this could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know.
God's time is always the perfect time. Marami akong tanong sa Kanya noon. At ang isang pinakamagandang sagot niya sa mga naging katanungan ko ay ikaw. Mako, lagi mong tandaan na kahit maraming magandang nakikita ang mga mata ko, iisa lang naman ang kayang mahalin ng puso ko. At ikaw yun.
Mako, remember I've told you the first time I saw you, sabi ko, magkakagusto sa akin to, haha. But I was wrong because you captured my soul with your pure heart. From that day on, I said, I want to take care of this man. I can't promise to solve all your problems, but I can promise you won't have to face them alone. I love you, Mako.
Ready ka na ba sa biyahe natin? I mean, hindi lang sa Japan, kundi sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Mawala man ang kinang ng lahat ng mga binibigay ko sa'yo, pangako, hindi kasama doon ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Mako.
You commit yourself to one another. You dedicate yourself to one another because you are one.
As we stand here today celebrating our unity, I vow to love you and promise to love you in good times and in bad times. I'm giving you my hand, my heart, and my love without condition, completely and forever.
From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. You before me, and we before I. I love you.